There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Restorations. Hey look, I wanted to say thank you to the 1,000 subscribers that have already signed up here and to the many other thousands who have watched my videos. Starting a second channel was kind of one of those things I wasn't sure I want to invest time and effort and money into. But the weird part about it is I'm a mechanic first. All the other stuff I'm doing as a passion, as a hobby. But mostly I am a mechanic. And the idea of bringing you along, showing you some of the secrets that I've learned, and taking you along for some of the restorations and repairs that I've done here, it just seemed like the right thing to do. I'm glad that it's working. You know, with 1,000 subscribers, we're gaining about 100 to 200 every month. That is pretty good numbers for a new channel here on YouTube with less than a year under its belt. And I'm hoping to take it all the way up and make it just as good, just as equal as the original Farpoint Farms channel. And I'm just wanting to say thanks. Thanks for coming along for that ride. Take care.